Hi guys, today we have perfect conditions and I will show you how to operate the snowblower on the Bobcat compact loader. And on the end I give you my tip. The first thing you need to check before using the snowblower is to properly adjust the wear pads. These wear pads are always in the touch with the surface when you're blowing and has the several high positions. By proper adjustment you avoid damaging the surface or the snowblower itself by collecting the stones or some debris. So if you want to operate the snowblower, you need to start the machine, activate the machine. I have the high flow snowblower, so I'll activate the high flow hydraulic on the machine, and then by pressing the trigger button, which is in front of the right joystick, you start the rotation. This allows you to control the chimney. The chimney itself you control by the left finger for the left and right, and then the right finger for the lower or higher. I recommend to use the high RPM for the good flow. Put the attachment on the wear pads. You can adjust the speed management and just go. Keep the good speed. It's really depending on the material you're blowing. This snow is wet and heavy, so I need to go slowly. And I'm doing more like, I do almost 1 meter of the snow in one pass. Of course, the higher you blow, there's less resistance for the snow and flies farther. I have only 50 centimeters of snow, so I can go a bit faster. On the hard surfaces like asphalt, beton or the bricks, I would adjust it the same high as the blade. But on the off-road, forest roads and in the field, I would put like 5 centimeters gap between the pads and blade to avoid collecting the stones or debris. The last but not the least thing I wanted to show you is the track loading chute. This will allow you to load the tracks directly with the snow. But as you know, all the snow blowers will get blocked by the wet and sticky snow. To avoid this, I have 2 easy tips for you. The first one is the simple oil for the pants, which you spray on your blower and it will avoid the sticking the snow on it. The second one is just the basic car box, which you spray on your blower before the season and should stay for all the season. You have to spray the auger, the box, but mainly the flywheel and the chute itself.